napansin nyo, parang nag-iba yung content ng channel ko, nagbago rin ang logo. So, I named it Nonalicious Cooking, Food, Places and Culture. Kasi hindi naman po lahat gustong magluto, hindi po naman lahat nakakapagluto. So, nag-incorporate naman ako ng mga places na pwede natin puntahan, pwede natin kainan. Sa ibang vlog ko, you will see in the future na yung place na pupuntahan natin, kung ano yung mga kaugalian nila o ano kanilang mga kultura. I hope I can make you happy, excited, and adventurous with my new vlogs. Pero sa ngayon, nagbabalik ako kasi may gusto akong ituro sa inyo. I want to share to you my recipe of butter pecan cheesecake. Pero ang gagamitin naman natin is sour cream. So yung ang recipe na to is really budget friendly, tsaka hindi siya masyadong mahal. Kasi instead na ang gagamitin natin is cream cheese, which is alam naman natin na medyo expensive, then we're going to use sour cream instead. So what are we waiting for? Come on, come cook with me! So here are our ingredients. First, we're going to do the crust first. So these are my ingredients for the crust. I have 1.5 cups of graham crackers. And then I have half cup of finely chopped pecans and 1/4 cup of sugar and tapos 1/2 cup ng melted butter. And for the filling, itong gagamitin natin. So I have here sour cream. These two containers parang like 4 cups of sour cream. And then I have here half cup of sugar and 1 whole egg, 1/3 cup of cornstarch, and a cup of finely chopped pecans. Okay, so let's prepare now the crust. Ito yung graham crackers. Tapos, let's add now the pecan. Mix nyo lang. And then the sugar. And then lastly, yung ating butter. Lagay na natin lahat. So, after na ma-mix natin, so, mag-set aside tayo. Mga at least, siguro mga sabihin na nating half cup lang. And then we're going to sprinkle this on top ng ating cheesecake. And then next, ito po yung ating pan. I'm going to just spray it para hindi po dumikit. And then we're going to line up yung ating crust. Actually, kahit naman hindi nyo na i-press, or if you want, you can press it. So, ganito na yung itsura after pressing down for yung ating graham crackers for the crust. Okay, so ang susunod naman natin, gawin natin yung filling. So, I have here the sour cream. Approximately mga 4 cups ito. So guys, I'm gonna tell you, like, budget friendly talaga itong cheesecake na to kasi instead of using instead of using actually yung cream cheese for this cheesecake, itong gagamitin natin, itong sour cream. Kasi actually mas mura ito kaysa sa kaysa sa cream cheese. We all know that cream cheese is really expensive. So what I'm trying to say is that my cream cheese is a budget friendly. So this is now like 4 cups of sour cream. And then next is i-add natin yung half cup ng sugar. And then yung whole egg natin. Tsaka yung natin the butter, the pecan. Ayan. So, incorporate lang natin. And then, the 1/3 cup of cornstarch. So, while you are mixing this, ito yung sasabihin kong secret sa inyo. So, the secret is that because this is cornstarch, kaya ang gagawin nyo, huwag nyo masyadong i-overmix. Like when you see that it's already incorporated, like everything is incorporated and all mixed, then you have to stop. Do not overmix your filling. Because, you know, I mean, hindi kasi ito like the cream cheese. Yung texture kasi ng sour cream is creamy na siya, tapos medyo basa na. So mix, halo-halo lang. And yan, kumpleto na parang nahalo na lahat. Ang bango-bango na. And then next, ilagay na natin yung filling sa crust natin. Okay, so nailagay na natin yung filling. We're going to sprinkle now yung tira kanina, the one that I set aside for the crust. So just sprinkle it. So this is a combination of yung graham crackers and the pecan, yung ground pecan. And this also has some butter on it. So, you know, it will be very, very delicious, I think. So guys, ready na siya. Now, we have to preheat now our oven at 325 degrees and we're going to bake this for at least an hour. Okay, so after like an hour, baking this for an hour at 325 degrees, this is how it looks like now. But this is not ready yet, guys. So all we have to do is let it cool down and then refrigerate it for at least like 6 hours. So after 6 hours, ganito na po yung itsura niya, guys. So let's do the taste test. Okay guys, so ayan, hinahati na niya yung cheesecake at siya na ang buena mano, siya na ang titikim. Tignan nga natin kung masarap. Okay,
Hinati ko na.
ang
sarap.
O, anong lasa? So, guys, this is our cheesecake
Sarap.
pecan.
Sarap.
Butter pecan cheesecake. So, ang ginamit natin is sour cream. Hindi po tayo gumamit ng cream cheese. So, this is a budget-friendly cheesecake using sour cream. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.